Ragdoll's Museum, an integral part of the Rock Garden, a signature landmarks of Chandigarh in Sector 1. These dolls made from cloth scraps collected by Shree Nek Chand from tailors shops from across the city during the 1970s. Description of the image in Rock Garden is a material translation, Nek Chand's vision for a universal home that unites creatures and elements of nature and the human spirit. Installation of unique mud huts with ornamental decorations, artificial trees with spreading branches provide the necessary cultural background to the dolls. The museum was created during the third phase of construction inside Rock Garden. Village scenes like chaupal, huts, trees, swings, and others were created to provide the backdrop to around 200 dolls. Women are depicted spinning the charkha, cooking, enjoying conversations with each other and celebrating festivals and weddings, dressed in colorful clothes and their day-to-day jewellery. Similarly, men are clad in dhoti, kurtas and pagris and are showing smoking and are discussing village affairs in the chaupal, meditating under the trees and dancing in wedding processions. Information board displaying the details of the Rock Garden. The board informs the visitors about how the legendary artist Shree Nek Chand used to collect rags from the tailor's shop and convert them into dolls, which were later housed in Ragdoll's Museum. These are displayed in a village setting. Colorful female rag dolls are shown enjoying around the swing in a village scene. Dolls dressed as villagers are shown conversing with each other on a chaupal while smoking hookah. Beautiful village sceneries are created to provide a backdrop for the ragdolls. Here in a village scene where a woman is spinning the charkha is recreated. Here many sannyasis dressed in saffron clothes are shown meditating and interacting under a tree. The entry fee for adults is ₹20 and for children ₹10. Here the opening time is 9 a.m. and the closing time is 6 p.m.